Life is fun, but every single one of us, man, we all have our ups and downs, right? That's part of life. But how we deal with it, how we cope with it, that's what separates us, and I believe that.
And sure enough, I had these two outlets. I could go hit you and get out my aggression, and then I can go sit at a card table, and I can just sit there and complete just peace, and just work on my mind, and work on who I am as a person, and just utter silence.
After retiring from the NFL, I now look back on my career and my life, and I realize that I've overcome some things that have really hindered people, that have really taken people into a mass depression. So my show is about how we can find happiness. It's about how we can deal with these real issues, how we can laugh about it, and how we can help one another, because the reality is we are not alone. So the motivation behind my show is I want people to feel good about themselves. I want this world to be a better place. And it just so happens that I'm a magician. And so my ability to tell these stories is through magic. And that's why I think life is magic.
It's a great day to be alive!
I think the show's different because all the magic correlates to the stories of my life, and it's the magic that I learned along the way. And so every trick I do has a meaning and has a purpose to a relevant time in my life where I needed to find happiness because of something really bad that happened, and that's what I turned to. See, magic was an outlet for me as a kid, and I use magic now as a tool to connect with the audience.
Is your name Coco?
I love bringing people on stage because that's where the comedy comes. See, all that's impromptu, and what they're going to say, what they're going to draw, what they're going to do, we have no idea. And that's what makes it fun.
What was it, 10 hearts? Watch.
If you have a tagline, if you have a theme, or if you need us to cater the message of this show to your audience, that's the easy part because there's certain lessons in life that are universal. How we feel about each other, how we talk to ourselves, how we prepare, the process to find success, all that is universal, so we can incorporate whatever it is you need into this show, and that's the easy part.
You a big fan or a little fan? I brought something tonight. It means a lot to me. I told myself I'm going to give it away to one kid. Is this the kid?
If we're the right fit for you, our show can travel big and it can travel small. It's whatever you want. This is an absolute no-brainer. Book me. My name's John Dorenbos, and I can't wait to meet you guys. Peace out. Hopefully I see you soon.